Hey guys, how's it going? Teacher Mario here, and welcome to Mario's Language Lab. Today we're diving into prefixes miss, dis, and re, and everything you need to know to use them correctly. But before we get started, make sure to check out our Instagram account abcenglish.tv for extra practice and useful content to boost your English learning journey. Now, the prefixes miss, dis, and re are commonly used in English to change the meaning of the root words, and each one has a specific function. Please remember that a root word is the most basic form of a word, without any prefixes or suffixes, and it carries the core meaning of the word and can stand alone or be combined with affixes to create new words. On the one hand, the prefix miss indicates that something is wrong or incorrect. For example, misunderstand, which means to understand something incorrectly. Misbehave, which means to behave in the wrong way. Or misspell, which means to spell something incorrectly. Now, on the other hand, the prefix dis often means not, opposite of, or a part of. For example, disagree means not to agree. Disappear means to go away or become invisible. And dishonest means not honest. And lastly, the prefix re, which means again or back. For example, rewrite means to write something again. Replay means to play something again. And rebuild, which means to build something again. Now, comparison examples to differentiate them better. Number 1, if you misunderstand the lesson, you understood it the wrong way. Number 2, if you disagree with someone, you don't share the same opinion. Number 3, if you rewrite an essay, you write it again to improve it. Do you see the difference? Make sure to practice, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss the lesson. See you on the next video.